If you're looking to start your own clothing business online but don't want to break the bank on website development, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process of building a website for your clothing business using WordPress, and the best part? It's all free! For this, you will need a WordPress website. Now, why is having a website so important for your clothing business? A website does more than just display your products, it gives your brand a home on the internet. With your own e-commerce site, you can showcase your unique style, reach a wider audience, and build trust with customers. Unlike selling on third-party platforms, your own site gives you full control over your branding, your pricing, and the customer experience. You can set up a shop, add product pages with detailed descriptions and photos, take payments securely, and even run promotions. Plus, having a website opens up the door to powerful marketing tools like email lists, SEO, and social media integration. It's not just about selling clothes, it's about building a recognizable and professional brand online. Now, let's see how you can start building your site. Open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, click on Add Theme, and then use the search bar to search for Shopmania. This is our theme, install and activate it. Now navigate to Appearance and click on Shopmania options. Go to Starter Templates. Click on Starter Site Plugin and then on Import Demo. Here you can explore all the templates of Shopmania. Some of them are locked, and they can be unlocked by upgrading the theme to Pro from here. Now, find the fashion e-commerce template. Here you can take a look at the website. Click on Continue, and then on Build My Website. Wait for a few seconds and the website will be ready. Once the website is built, you can customize it directly from here. It opens with Elementor. Here you can make any change you want with the help of its drag-and-drop builder. You can change color of any section and match it with your brand. If you want different image, you can do so too. You can add, edit, or delete any part of the website with freedom. You can also use free Elementor add-ons to show products and posts on the page. They are easy to set up and offer great customizability, allowing you to easily change content and styles. After customization, save the changes and go back to the previous page. Let's see our site now. This is our site imported within seconds. It came with the changes we recently made. If you want to make core changes, click on Customize. This opens the Customizer panel. In the Site Identity section, you can update your logo, add a retina logo for high-resolution displays, set a tagline, and upload a site icon. These small changes help enhance the professional appearance of your website. Under the Colors and Background settings, you can modify your site's color scheme or even set a background image to match your brand's identity. The header image option allows you to display a custom image in your site's header area. If you want to adjust the menus, you can do it from here. Just select the menu and start editing. If you want to add a menu, click on Add Items. Search or select from here. And it is here. Now you can reorder the menu. And if you want to make any menu submenu, just click on this arrow. After all, click on Done. To delete any item, click on it, and then click on Remove. Here are widgets. You can add the widgets to the header and footer. In homepage settings, you can control what displays on the homepage and the posts page. Choose between showing your latest posts or a static page. There are WooCommerce settings. You'll find relevant customization options here. For example, under Store Notice, you can enable a banner message to appear on the store, displaying any text you'd like. Like this, settings are given to customize other things. At last, additional CSS is provided to apply custom styling. You can unlock the Pro features by upgrading the theme to Pro from here. After all, click on Publish to save changes. And go back. Let's explore pages also. On the blog page, here, you'll find the latest posts on fashion and clothing trends. Each post includes a featured image and engaging content to keep you inspired and up to date. Next, we head to the shop page. All available products are listed here. Just browse, explore, and find what suits you best. Use our Ajax-powered search bar for a fast and smooth search experience. Just start typing, and suggestions will appear instantly. Users can go to single product page, add to wish list, and compare multiple products. To compare products, simply click the Compare button on each item. Once you've selected multiple items, click Compare, and a detailed comparison table will appear. Click on any product to visit its single product page. Here, you'll find detailed information, images, and options. You can also proceed to cart page, and from cart to checkout page. On wishlist page, all your saved items are available. Easily review your favorites whenever you return. The cart icon shows the items you've added. From here, you're just one step away from checking out. From this page, users can log into your store and start shopping. Users can visit About Us page to learn more about company, dedicated team, and founder's vision. The Contact Us page includes a working contact form, business address, and an interactive map for navigation, making it easy for customers to reach you. Now let's see how you can add a new product to the website. Open your dashboard, go to Products and click on Add New Product. Fill in the product's name, and then the description of the product. Enter the price, and if you want to sell the product at a discount, fill in the discounted price here. You can also provide a short description. Fill in the tags related to the product here. This helps to increase the reach of the product. Give it a category, or if you want to create a new one, create from here. Set the product image from here. If you want to add some more images of the same product, add them from this section. After all, click on Publish. Let's see the product now. You can view the product from this link or find it on the shop page too. This is our product. Here you will find the media images, on sale price, and the description. Thanks for watching! I hope this tutorial helped you build your own clothing brand website on WordPress. If you found it useful, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and best of luck with your brand's online journey!